Okay, let's get started. Now we are discuss about the literary criticism. What is literary criticism in English literature? Key points of literary criticism. It analyzes themes, characters, language, and structure. It judges the quality and significance of a literary work. It explains hidden meanings and ideas. It helps reader appreciate literature more deeply. Definition. Literary criticism is the systematic study, evaluations, and interpretations of literature. Function of criticism to interpret a literary text, to evaluate its merits and faults, to guide readers in understanding literature, to set literary standards. Types of criticism. Formal criticism focus on form and structure. Historical criticism relates literature to its time. Biographical criticism studies the author life. Moral criticism judges ethical values. Psychological criticism analyze characters' mind. Example: when a critics explains Shakespeare's Hamlet by discussing its themes of revenge, madness, and morality, that explanation is literary criticism. Okay, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.